Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGIS Solution. In this video, I want to show you how to extract or clip raster using Model Builder in ArcGIS. So let's get started. In ArcGIS, the first thing to do is to bring your set of data. So bring your data sets by clicking on Add Data. For instance, I want to use this digital elevation model and the study area. So I'll select them and click on Add. Yes, here is my study area. If I want to clip out my study area from this digital elevation model using Model Builder in ArcGIS, let me show you how to get it done. So let me change this to hollow for you to appreciate it better. So here is my study area. The first thing to do is to create your model. And to create a model, come to Catalog and then navigate to your working folder. Here is my working folder. Then right click it and come to New. Then click on Toolbox to create your toolbox. So here you can give it a name. Let me just call it model. So that's the name I'm giving to this toolbox. Then once you click outside, the toolbox has been created. Now to create the model, right click the toolbox you just created. Then come to New and here you can see model. Click on model to create a new model. And here is the interface of the new model, blank model, in which we will create our model to clip or extract our area of interest from the raster data. Now the first thing to do is to bring the tool you want to use into the model, and inside this model you can see a lot of functions here. You can save your model, you can copy, you can cut, you can print, and so forth. Now essentially what I want to show you is to show you how to extract or clip your raster using study area shapefile in ArcGIS using Model Builder. Now to do that, open Arc Toolbox, then come to Spatial Analyst tool and come to Extraction. So the tool we want to use is this Extract by Mask. So what you need to do is to click and drag it inside the model, and here is it. Now to zoom to full extent, click on this icon. You can see our tool. So here is the tool to which we will attach our data, and here will be the output. Now to attach the data, double click the tool, which is this Extract by Mask. Double click it. When you double click it, it will bring this page where you input the raster you want to use. So in this case, I'll click on the drop down and select my digital elevation model. Then the input raster or feature mask data, click on the drop down and select the study area. Once you do that, click here for the output raster. I want to name it here as clip them. Then click on save. Click on OK. It has been inputted. So let me click on zoom to full extent. So you can see here that here is my Extract by Mask tool, and here I have attached the input raster, and here is the extent of clipping, which is my study area. So now after you have done this, you can see that everything is okay, and of course you can validate the entry model to see if there is any error. If I click on it, there is no error in my model. Then after that, click on run to run the model. If I click on it, you can see it will run and extract it. Yes, it is done successfully. So I can now click on close. To view my results, I'll come to this output, which is clip them. I will right click and click on add to display. If I click on it, it has been added to display. So I can minimize this. It has been added to display. Then I can close this tool and if I uncheck this, you can see my DEM. I've extracted it from the larger DEM, and I can change the color ramp. So you can see that using the model, I was able to clip my raster according to my area of interest. But in essence, this is how to use Model Builder in ArcGIS to clip or extract raster. I hope this tutorial is helpful to someone. Thank you for watching.